What's up guys, Luke here from Luke's Points and Miles. On this channel we talk about credit cards and how we can benefit from using them. We also touch on personal finance, real estate, and travel. If you're interested in those things, please hit our subscribe button. And if you get any value at all from this video, please smash that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Guys, today we are going to go over credit cards from the Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, I am a veteran. I'm actually a Navy veteran. So I am a member of Navy Federal Credit Union, and I'm really excited about doing this video and trying to kind of give back to my brothers and sisters that are still serving in the armed forces. And I'm sure you have heard about Navy Federal, but have you heard about how beneficial some of their credit cards can be? So really excited about today's video. So what is Navy Federal Credit Union? Navy Federal Credit Union is the largest credit union in the United States. Who is eligible to become a member? Well, if you are active duty military, obviously. But to become a member, you or someone in your family or household must have ties to the Armed Forces, the Department of Defense, or the National Guard. And from what I understand, that tie can be a little loose, and I think you can also be sponsored in. If you have any questions, please look at their website, and they also have several Facebook groups, and they are very active with lots of questions and tons of members. But today, we are not talking about their world-renowned customer service. We're not talking about all the other different products they offer, from mortgages to auto loans to financial vehicles such as CDs and things like that. We're going to be talking about their credit cards. And we're going to talk about their three main credit cards. And if you stick around to the end, I have a bonus credit card for you from Navy Federal Credit Union. And it is a little bit unique compared to a lot of the products out there. So in the comment section below, guys, if you are a veteran of the armed forces, please comment below with your service and your dates. We really want to see how many veterans we have watching this channel. Okay guys, these won't be full reviews. We just want to get this information out there of the credit cards they have and the main points. So if you need more information, please go to Navy Federal's website. But the first card we're going to talk about is the Cash Rewards card. Very basic, guys. 1.5% cash back. If you're running a cashback system, a lot of times basic is great. Now this card does offer a $200 cashback spending bonus for spending $2,000 in the first 90 days, and it has a 0 annual fee. Not a bad starting point, right? I also need to mention that Navy Federal Credit Union, for whatever reason, is renowned for giving huge credit limits. A lot of people on their Facebook group report $20,000, $25,000, $30,000 credit limits. So if that's something you're looking for, that's an extra bonus. Moving along, guys, this is one of their credit cards that you may have heard of. It is fairly famous in the credit card space. It is the Navy Federal Credit Union More Rewards American Express. Now, let's look at these multipliers. 3 times points on restaurants and food delivery. 3 times points on supermarkets. 3 times points on gas and transit. And 1 point on everything else. Now here's the kicker. No annual fee. That is one of the best cards you're going to find for no annual fee. Now to top it all off, the More Rewards American Express comes with a 10,000 points bonus, which is equivalent to $100 for $1,000 spent in the first 90 days. If cashback is your game, this is probably one of the cards you want to put in your wallet. Moving along, guys, we have the Go Rewards Mastercard from Navy Federal Credit Union. This card looks fairly promising too. And again, when we're talking about cashback, we're normally talking about either people just getting into this game or people who want to keep it simple. And I think this card does keep it simple. 3 times points on restaurants, 2 times points on gas, and 1 point for everything else. There's no bonus right now, but there's also no annual fee. So this is a very simple card. It sounds very beneficial too, especially if you're like me and you like to eat at restaurants. Guys, the fourth card we're going to talk about is the Visa Signature Flagship Rewards card. This is a very interesting card, and I'll tell you why. It seems like it comes with a ton of value for a very low annual fee. So what's the card do? 3 times on travel, a very broad category of travel. and 2 times points on everything else. Now when you're in the cash back game, you want to get at least 2 points or 2% back on as much as possible. That adds up to a lot of money over time. So just to recap, 3 points on travel and 2 points on everything else. This card also comes with 1 year free Amazon Prime. I actually had to look it up. Amazon Prime is $119 per year right now. Now they do have limited time deals where former and current military members get $40 off of that. But let's go ahead and value this at $119. So you get a free year of Amazon Prime. And you also get a $100 credit for your TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. If you don't have TSA PreCheck, I highly recommend it. It is definitely worth it, especially if you have a card like this, it's going to pay for it. But I will give you a pro tip. Global Entry includes TSA PreCheck. So you can knock them out in one shot for $100 with Global Entry. Now you do have to do an interview and wait a little bit of time, but definitely worth it, especially if you're going overseas into different countries. Now this card comes with a $49 annual fee. Again, you're getting a lot of value for 49 bucks. At the same time, it's your money. You do the math, see if it works out for you. Now finally, if you have made it all the way to the end here, we have a bonus card that could be just the thing for some of you. Now if you are at the very beginning of your credit journey, or you are someone who is rebuilding your credit and you can't qualify for a lot of credit cards, the Navy Federal Credit Union actually has a secured rewards card. Now, a lot of banks have secured credit cards and they let you help you build your credit and you can eventually graduate to a better card, but very few of them have secured cards that actually earn rewards. So this card is fairly simple. It is called the N Rewards Secured Card and it earns 1 point per dollar spent, no annual fee. Again, if you're at the beginning of your journey or you have made some mistakes and you're rebuilding, this is a really good opportunity for you to get a card that actually earns rewards and is easily graduatable, if that's a word. Okay guys, if you have time, please visit my Instagram. We put some travel pictures on there and some different credit card news. Also, I want to take time out and I want to thank every one of my brothers and sisters that are serving on active duty in the United States Armed Services. We all thank you. You are the reason why we can sleep at night. I also want to remind you that with Chase Bank and American Express, you active duty military people do not have to pay the annual fee. So load up. Also guys, if you are in the cashback game, I highly suggest that you use a cashback shopping portal such as Rakuten. We do have referral links below, and if you use our referral link right now, you can get $30 cash back on your first purchase. It's free money. Sign up below. Also guys, subscribe to the channel. I post videos right about twice a week, and we are about to embark on a couple voyages. Also, see my video about how you can choose where I travel next, and put a vote in the comments, and maybe you will see me go exactly where you want me to go. Guys, if you have stayed around to the end, thank you.